Start whenever? Cool. I'm like weirdly waiting for an action. Awkward. Let's go.
Hi everyone.
Oi. Oh, okay. Hey.
I'm Justin.
My name's Anya.
Hi, I'm Bo.
Hey everyone, my name is Claire and I'm a product marketing manager at Canva. A new launch I want to show you is an upgrade to one of my favourite features, Style Match, and how you can now transform your photos into Illustrator graphics. So let me show you how. So here we have an illustration that's almost there, but wouldn't it be great if this photo matched the rest of the design? Instead of having to search for the perfect graphic, I can just use Style Match. So I'll first click on the graphic that I'm wanting to transfer the style of, and then I'll click on this paint roller tool and make sure that it's on Copy Art Style. I'll then click on the photo, and what it will actually do is transfer the style of that graphic onto the photo. And there we have it. Now this photo matches the rest of the design and it's transformed into a matched graphic. I'll just make it a little bit bigger and it's ready to go. It's a perfect feature to make sure that all your designs match and look cohesive.
Managing your brand and the people within it can be really difficult. So we've launched 3 new features to make it super easy, saving you time on brand approvals, exporting your brand content, and updating your brand kit. So let's show you how to get it all done. From your homepage, it's super easy. The way you do it is as a brand manager or a brand designer, you'd go into the approvals log here and go up to brand controls. Here we've introduced 3 new features. One is about using and restricting your team to use only brand colors. The second one is about fonts. And the third fancy new one is about design approvals. From here, you can either choose to turn it on or turn it off. Or you can even go deeper, allowing specific people to submit for approvals and who can review them, as well as your designs. You can choose what is required when a design is published, as well as what has to go through approvals, whether it's a brand template or only select brand templates. Why this is so great and saves you so much time, because it allows your members to get designs out faster to their team. The next feature is all about managing your approval log. Finding the data, exporting the data, and managing your team who's on brand is really difficult. That's why we've launched Approval Log. To get to it, all you need to do is head down to your approvals and you can see all the data. You can even download it into a CSV, so easy keeping and uploading. The final feature I want to show you is videos in brand kits. Videos is a really hard one for our teams to manage and find, so having them in one central place makes it so easy for your team. To get there, all you need to do is go to the brand folder, head down to videos, and you can see your home of videos. To simply add one, all you do is just go add, upload, and then from your downloads file or wherever your video is saved, you just click and upload it. Less admin, more control, and 0 extra tabs open. Brand control's got a whole lot smarter in Canva. Go check them out.
So I'm so excited to be here today to share with you all the amazing features we are working on in July. So the first one is image attachments in comments. So this social post already looks really great to me. Maybe the text at the top can add a little bit stronger hierarchy. So what I'm gonna do is show them in an image, explaining what I'm thinking about. So I can just click on the design, send a quick comment. Hi Julie, I saw this image last night. Could we do something similar? And then I can just attach the reference image that's in my mind. Cool. Now I'll just click send. Nice. So Julie instantly can see what I'm thinking and what I'm suggesting.
Now I'm going to show you a new feature that we just launched, AI Post Writer, which actually generates captions for you based on your design right there in the publish flow. So let me show you how. Here we've got a social media post that's almost ready to go. We've just got to make a few final tweaks and generate a caption before we post. I'm first going to jump in and just add in a discount here, let's say 50% off for our mid-year sale, and just move it down there. And then we just have to generate a caption. So I'll just click share here. And let's go with Instagram. And if you click here, generate caption, that's where AI Post Writer will come in. It will actually look at your post, including your text and visuals, and generate a caption that matches. That's looking pretty good to me, so I'll just insert it now, and now it's ready to post. That just saved me so much time. Now I no longer have to worry about writing captions. I can just have AI Post Writer do it for me.
Ever designed something and thought this would be a fantastic brand template? Well, we've done it. In 3 different surfaces, you can add your designs as brand templates. Let me show you how you get it done. The first surface I want to show you is right in the editor. As you finish your design, simply go up to File and Save as Brand Template. From there, you can click Publish and Close, and voila, you've published this as a brand template for your whole team to use. The next surface is actually in the home page. You've just finished creating your investor deck and you want to just publish it to the wider team. Simply press the 3 dots and go Save as Template. From there, you can choose what team you want to publish it in or what folder, and there you go. You've published it as a brand template. And the last surface is by making a copy. If you know your team are using a template over and over again, it probably means that it's time for that to be a brand template. The way you do that is by clicking the 3 dots and selecting Make a Copy. A pop-up will open and say you've designed this copy, but is it time to make that a template? You can either select Open in Design, so it doesn't publish as a template, or you can proceed straight to a publish. And voila, that's also now a brand template for your team to use. 3 different areas and 0 extra work. Your brand templates grow while you work.
Another one of my favorite features this round, which is Back to Content button in Canva Whiteboards. Take this whiteboard as an example. I will need to zoom in, check the details, zoom out, pan around, and then suddenly I'm in the middle of absolutely nowhere. Where did my board go? But now, with just one click, on this Back to Content button, I'm instantly back where I was. So it is a small improvement, but it can save me all the time.
All right, so day in and day out, common issue is how do we get different teams and different systems to talk to each other? We've got one team working in one DAM, we've got another team working in another DAM. We want to bring all those assets into one place for easy use within Canva. Thankfully for that, we have CI Hub, and I'm going to show you how that works right now. All right, so here we have our template for the Big Chopper, the premier burger from Shopify. We're going to need some assets, a logo and a burger image, of course. Let's jump into our apps and we'll go and find our CI Hub app. Now, the great thing about CI Hub is that it brings all of our DAMs together into one place. In this case, we've actually already connected to Box and Frontify. Frontify is where our brand-approved logos and brand-approved assets live, including this logo. Perfect. So we've got our logo there. We're going to make it a little bit smaller and center it. Great, the brand team will be happy. Now let's jump over to Box, where our photo team has been working, favorites, and we've got our Shopify brand shoot, including the big kahuna himself. And we'll remove the background, center it up, and make it a bit bigger. Perfect. So the Big Chopper is looking great. Now we've got a solution that brings all of our systems together. I've worked up an appetite. I think it's time for a burger.
Another favorite feature, this one is presenter notes improvement. So imagine this, I've put together a last-minute presentation for tomorrow. So the next step is to prepare all the presenting notes. Normally, I would need to write them slide by slide, but now I can just use AI to generate them. I just need to go to the Notes panel and then click on Generate Notes. And the best part is you can customize your prompt. So I usually start my presentations with an icebreaker. So I'm just gonna type create an introduction with an icebreaker. Wow, you see, all the notes are ready for you now, and it's tailored to what I asked for. So that's not all. If you wanna know how your presentation fits into your meeting, you can just hover over the clock icon. Here is the estimated presenting time for this slide, and if you click it again, you can see the estimated time for the whole presentation. And if you are presenting on a laptop, you can just adjust the font size to make it bigger, so it's easier for you to read. And that's everything. Everything's set up, so you'll just need to focus on presenting.
Now I'm going to show you 2 new features that make that website publishing flow even easier. So let's jump into it. So first we've got 18 new domain extension options to choose from. So when you're on your domain name search site, let's just search for this one. And what you'll see is there's so many new domain extension options to choose from. So no matter what, you'll be able to find a domain to match your brand. Or if you already own a domain, you can also super easily connect that one to your Canva website as well. Let me show you how. We've got a website here ready to go. It's looking good. All we need to do is publish it. Canva now detects and configures the DNS settings of 50 plus domain providers. Let me show you how. So if you just click Publish Website, and then click Get a New Domain, what we can actually do is bring in the domain that we already own. So I'll just go ahead and type it in and then hit Continue. And it will allow me to connect my domain to this Canva website. So whether you're wanting to purchase a new domain or whether you want to connect one that you already own, we've just launched 2 new features that make that process even easier. If you're wanting to learn more, just check out Design School on Canva.
Is that it?
That's it.
We don't want to give that another crack?